Xander, where is our MakerBox?
I don't know.
It just seems like it's taken a long time to get here this month.
Well, maybe the mailman isn't done sitting on it yet.
It's possible. Well, why don't you and I go get some lunch?
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Nick, co-founder of MakerBox. I got Fun King 3D's box right here. Only problem is I'm New York and they're all the way down in Florida. So I figured let's get some helping hands and send it down there. First off, we're going to send it to its new home over at Printed Solid in Newark, Delaware. Here you go, Matt.
Thanks, Nick. We're really looking forward to taking over MakerBox, and we're going to bring people some awesome things in the future.
My very own MakerBox. And it's all mine. What? Alright, fine. I'll share. Hey, print and play. James!
Here you go.
Delivery.
Ah, a MakerBox. But it's not for me.
Thank you. Xander and Dad, the MakerBox is here. Maybe I have to do it by myself.
All right, everybody. So it is finally time to unbox
The MakerBox!
the MakerBox.
The MakerBox!
All right, everybody. I hope that you enjoyed that intro. If you guys didn't know, we had a little bit of a challenge with the YouTube channel Average Joe's 3D. As far as MakerBox delivery, and I'm not sure at this point how he's done his, but I think that we really ramped it up, and we thank each and every one of you guys that helped participate in that intro. So now, after all of that, let's get to the goods, shall we? So this is the first month that the box was owned solely by Printed Solid, and they included a sticker on the front of the box to let you know that it is now under new management, and we're excited to see. Now wait a minute, because I happen to know that there's supposed to be something in this box
I think I know what you're talking
that I'm
about.
really proud of, and we'll see if it's in there. So
That's what you do.
go ahead, crack it open. Ooh, we
Skittles.
got some Skittles.
Skittles.
That's really all that the kids care about, is the candy that comes in there.
Skittles.
So, all right, it came with a letter, and I want to read this quickly. No, it's awful long. So,
Goodbye. Oh, can
it just says, we want to assure you that you'll get the same great box and commitment to service that you've been receiving all along. A peek behind the curtain, Nick and Kevin started MakerBox in their dorm room, but it outgrew. So going forward, you can expect to see some great improvements and added value. Starting this month, at least one of the 4 samples will be bonus sized, which is pretty cool.
That's what it meant by
More discounts and things.
That's what
So
it meant by on the sticker. It
that's
says,
just a lot. I don't want to read through that, mainly after that that long opening to this video. It came with the regular monthly discount code sheet. This is what makes me so excited. AIO Robotics, for the first time ever, has been included in the MakerBox. And that's not even just cool because AIO Robotics is included in the MakerBox, but because I had my hands in making this happen. I put Nick in contact with my contact over at AIO Robotics, and it took just a little while, and it happened, and I'm excited.
Okay,
excited.
You can read this one, and then I'll read the next.
It comes with a card for IRF. I hope you guys are going to IRF.
IRF.
Yes. All right. So the first one out of the gate is a Max G PETG, and that is a hot end temperature of 230 to 260 degrees Celsius with a bed temp of 70 to 100. I usually print PETG at 90. The speed was not specified by the manufacturer, but if you print with PETG, you know that you got to print it a little bit slower. This is a transparent xenomorph green PETG that is made using only premium resins and colorants. They recommend this filament for use in any desktop 3D printer that has a heated bed. So, and that is 3DX Tech. So, and it's kind of a cool shade of green, and it's kind of hard to tell that it's translucent, but it is.
Yeah.
You can definitely see through it. So
that's a nice color.
That is a nice color. Now, this manufactured in the USA. That's a good looking filament. So.
Okay.
All right. So you want to go ahead and read that one?
This is PlayFab. This is PlayFab.
Yep, that would be PlayFab.
The hot end temperature from 210 to 250. The bed temperature from room to 50. The speed is not specified. The PlayFab has greater UV and impact resistance than PLA. Increased flexibility, excellent layered adhesion, produces a glossy finish, and once opened as a tremendous increase in shelf life compared to PLA. And
that's kind of cool.
3D print life.
3D print life, yeah. You know, the technology behind the different PLAs is getting better and better and better. The fact that they're getting stronger than typical PLAs, and that I mean, this one claiming that the shelf life is better once opened is pretty cool, because obviously PLA sucks up moisture, it's hygroscopic, and then it gets brittle. So no, you do that one. No. You do that one.
Okay, fine.
Because that last one, though, for whatever reason, doesn't have a label on it, means a lot to me.
Okay. I feel that this is more than.
Probably that might be the bonus one. Oh yeah, that's got some weight to it.
Yeah,
that's probably the bonus roll. Linen. The hot end temperature from 200 to 210. The bed temperature from room to 70. The speed is not specified. Featuring a matte surface finish. Means not glossy.
Okay. BioFila linen is a matte finish biofilament made with renewable materials like wood and other plants, print like PLA.
All right, that's cool.
BioFila.
So that's a renewable resource made filament, which is cool. BioFila. It's an interesting color. It's almost like a beige. When you count that as a beige, a tan. So that'll be interesting. Now I wonder with wood and other plants in there. I mean, it's not technically a wood fill, but would it require a hardened nozzle? So we're gonna have to look into that to see. All right. So the last and by far not least, and I'm not sure why this bag didn't get a label. It's just written PLA. But this one, here, let me show you this amazing label there. I know by color that this is the bright blue AIO Robotics PLA. And anybody that's watched our channel, you guys know that we print with a lot of AIO Robotics filament, and this one seems heavy too. This doesn't seem like a typical sample. There's quite a bit in there. So, but I love this stuff. I can't tell you guys that enough, that this filament for us works so well, and it's just a very forgiving filament. And if you haven't tried AIO filament, do yourself a favor and try it. And if you go to aiorobotics.com/rewards, you can actually enter to win a free roll. They sell it in half-kilo rolls. They'll send you a half-kilo roll. So, but I will tell you that this prints between 190 and 210. I generally print it at about 210, 215, depending on which printer. If I'm running the hardened nozzle, I print at 215. You can print on a non-heated bed with this, but we do a 60-degree bed, and it really does work well. So, and that's AIO Robotics. And again, I'm not sure why they didn't get a sticker. There should be a sticker on there that says, this is in there because of Fun King 3D.
Yep.
So
there should be a Fun King sticker right on that.
Right.
Yes.
No, I won't go that far, but thank you to, well, now Printed Solid, but to MakerBox for getting in contact with AIO and making this happen. And thank you to AIO Robotics for entertaining me enough to make this happen. I'm so glad that you guys met up and made a deal and got into the box. That's so exciting because, of course, I want to see AIO Robotics just explode and become
info is that it's good.
What's that?
The info section is that.
Yeah, the lack of stickers is disturbing in the force, but.
It's disturbing in the force.
All right, guys. Well, unfortunately, that is the end of this month's MakerBox again. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope that you enjoyed our introduction, and I promise that the opening of the videos won't typically be that long, but we try to jazz up our video every month, and we noticed that Average Joe 3D also was doing a delivery type opening to their video, and so we just thought a little challenge among us would lead us to here. And
if he's doing the same thing, that would be so funny.
I would almost imagine that would be impossible. But again, thank you all to that participated in the opening of the video. If you submitted a video and we didn't use it, it was purely for time constraints. But that's it. And now it's sad because it'll be another month before we get another box. But we like our boxes, and we like MakerBox. If you don't currently get MakerBox, there is a link in the description to get one. Even if you only try it once, try it. It's well worth the money. The coupons that they give you will pay back the box. And yeah, that's that. So till next month for MakerBox or the next video that you watch on our channel, we'd appreciate a subscription and a thumbs up. And as always, print on.